my spirit's volatile, and every day my body's dragged for miles. Little bird, won't you hold my hand? Tell me that it ain't so bad, 'cause we lost something sacred. Now empty bodies are all we're left with.